From the whistles of a steam engine to today's modern and most fastest train, Japan undoubtedly is home to an extensive railway system. More than 8.6 million passengers use a rail transport on daily basis. The Tokyo metro system is known for its efficiency and ability to run on time. Japan's fascinating bullet trains or Shinkansen takes you in different directions around Japan in very less time. Okay, in this paragraph, they are telling us about the whistle of steam engine which were used in old times era of modern world. Now Japan moved towards fastest trains and almost 8.6 million passengers use this rail transport daily basis. The Tokyo, the city of Japan, and now giving metro system, and it's very efficient. They are very punctual, and they making more steps towards their transport system because to cater the needs of growing population and to reduce carbon footprints leading towards climate change. As you all know, the population of world is increasing rapidly, so they are now shifting to transport into e-vehicles, which are electric vehicles. In Pakistan, they are also introducing some trains, some buses which are e-vehicles, and they are also saving some fuel energies as well. So most of the countries are shifted now towards e-vehicles. In this paragraph, we will discuss the birth of railroads. In this chapter or this paragraph, they are discussing old pattern or old time when the transport trains used for the transportation in 19th century, and they built good transport for rail tracks. In 1803, the first steam locomotive was built, and a British mining engineer, it changed the world. A first steam-powered locomotive pulled fuel cars full of coals, and later passengers cars full of people. By the 1850, the passenger trains were traveling at an unthinkable speed of 80 kilometer or more. पहले जब स्टीम इंजन्स थे या कोल से जो यूज़ किए जाते थे, वो उनकी स्पीड इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं थी. फिर उसके बाद थोड़े से स्पीड अप जो थे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वो इंट्रोड्यूस हुए. फिर जो रेल ट्रैवल्स बिकम चीपर, थोड़ा सस्ता भी था, आसानी से जो है वो टाइम पे पहुंचा भी देता था. दे यूज़ इट very oftenly because people and goods could move between them in hours rather than days. पहले ये होता था कि बहुत दिन लग जाते थे, फिर ये हुआ कि अब घंटों में वो सफ़र तय होने लगा. People started living near the tracks and new towns sprang up beside the tracks. With the popularity of train travel, more luxuries were offered. Soon the idea of luxury train was born. Railroad companies realized that the more comfort they offered, the more people will be attracted, and they could charge more. Some long distance trains were truly luxurious, with plush seats, private sleeping compartments, and restaurant cars for fine dining. Okay, as I told you before, when this transport started 1803, it was a steam engine जो कि कोल के साथ चलता था. आफ्टर दैट दे स्टेप फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स स्पीड अप इंजन जो कि 18 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चलता था. फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता द वर्ल्ड शिफ्टेड देयर सेल्व्स in luxury trains. More technologies introduced for comfort level. They offer people a better travel journey in sleeping compartments or restaurant cars, fine dining, etc. They offer food. They give you a comfortable sleeper or a sleep space to take rest. A diesel and electric locomotive entered the train service after the World War One. So after the World War One, the diesel and electric locomotive, as I told you before, the electric vehicles, after World War One, they introduced them. Together, they gradually brought the age of steam trains to an end. So here, जो steam इंजन का concept था वो खत्म होता था यहाँ पे. Diesel locomotive were generally more powerful than the steam locomotive that came before them. As cities grew larger, their streets become choked with different types of transport. For example, horse-driven carriage, buses, and streetcars. The engineers in London came up with the idea of underground rails to ease the problems. Hence, a railway was built beneath the city's streets. It opened up 1863 and was named as the Metropolitan. It was the world's first underground railway. People flocked to use it, even though the smoke from the steam locomotive made it smelly and dirty. The idea of underground railways was welcomed by the world, and soon other major cities around the world were building their own underground railways. Steam engines were gradually removed as electric locomotive took over. The Paris Metro opened in 1900 and the New York subway in 1905. Both were electric right from the beginning. Today, electric trains are carrying millions of people every day to their destination in less time. Japan's bullet trains